Oh God. No? This is scary. This is really, really scary. Hey, Darren.
What?
It's coming at me. Say hi.
Hi.
What the?
Hello, would you like some bread?